Hey there, digital pioneers and crypto-curious folks. Welcome to an exciting journey into the future of money. Today we're exploring a revolutionary concept that's shaking up the financial world as we know it. Tonight we're diving into the world of Pi Network, a new player in the cryptocurrency arena that's making waves for all the right reasons. It's a cryptocurrency aiming to make digital money accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical know-how or financial background. Imagine a world where anyone with a smartphone can participate in the digital economy. Think of it like Bitcoin's younger, more approachable sibling. While Bitcoin paved the way, Pi Network is here to make the journey smoother and more inclusive. Pi Network wants to put the power back in the hands of the people. It's about democratizing access to cryptocurrency, making it possible for everyone to get involved, not just the tech-savvy or the wealthy. It's designed to be mined on your phone, no fancy equipment needed. This is a game changer because it lowers the barrier to entry significantly. You don't need expensive hardware or a deep understanding of blockchain technology. Just tap a button once a day and boom, you're mining Pi. Pretty neat, right? It's as simple as checking your social media or sending a text message. Now, you might be thinking, John, this all sounds too good to be true. What's the catch? It's a fair question, and skepticism is healthy, especially in the world of digital currencies. Well, as with anything in the crypto sphere, there are always developments and updates to keep track of. The landscape is constantly evolving, and staying informed is key to making the most of your digital currency experience. Stick with us as we break it all down. We'll explore the ins and outs of Pi Network, its potential, and what it means for the future of digital currency. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. So let's get started and see what the future holds for Pi Network in the world of digital currency. Let's rewind to March 14th, 2019. This date marks a significant moment in the history of cryptocurrency. On this day, a new player entered the scene, one that promised to revolutionize the way we think about digital currency and mining. That's when Pi Network first burst onto the scene. It was a time of excitement and curiosity. People were eager to learn more about this new venture that claimed to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, not just the tech-savvy or the wealthy. It was just a twinkle in the crypto world's eye then. The founders, a group of Stanford graduates, had a vision to create a decentralized, user-friendly cryptocurrency that could be mined on mobile phones. They believed in the power of community and aimed to build a network that was inclusive and fair. But fast forward to February 20th, 2025, and things got real. After years of development, testing, and community building, Pi Network was ready to take the next big step. Pi Network launched its open mainnet. This was a monumental achievement, marking the transition from a testnet to a fully operational mainnet. The launch event was a grand affair with developers, investors, and community members coming together to celebrate this milestone. This was a big deal, folks. The open mainnet meant that Pi Network was no longer just an idea or a project in development. It was a functioning cryptocurrency network, ready to be used by millions of people around the world. It meant Pi was finally ready for prime time. The network's launch opened up new possibilities for trading, investing, and using Pi as a medium of exchange. It was a moment of validation for the founders and the community that had supported them from the beginning. It could be publicly traded and listed on exchanges. This was a game changer, allowing Pi to be bought and sold like any other cryptocurrency. The listing on major exchanges brought a new level of legitimacy and visibility to Pi Network. The price went a little wild at first, even hitting close to $3 a pop. Can you believe it? The initial excitement and speculation drove the price up, reflecting the high hopes and expectations that people had for Pi Network. It was a thrilling time for everyone involved, and it marked the beginning of a new chapter in the Pi Network story. All right, let's talk numbers, the part we're all here for, right? As of March 6, 2025, Pi is sitting pretty at around $1.81 per coin. Not too shabby. The market cap, which is basically the total value of all those Pi coins out there, is a cool $12.78 billion. That puts Pi among some of the big players in the crypto game. Not bad for a currency you can mine with your thumb. Now, let's talk about KYC. That stands for Know Your Customer, and it's basically a security check. To trade your Pi on most exchanges, you gotta go through this process. It helps keep things legit and prevents any funny business. Originally, the deadline to complete KYC was February 28, 2025. But good news, everyone. The Pi team extended the deadline to March 14, 2025. They want to make sure everyone has a fair shot at getting their Pi verified and ready to trade. Section 5, gazing into the crystal ball P price predictions. Okay, time for everyone's favorite game price predictions. Now remember folks, these are just educated guesses. Nobody knows for sure what the future holds for Pi or any cryptocurrency for that matter. But hey, it's fun to speculate. Some experts think Pi could hit anywhere from $3 to $5 by the end of 2025. Others are even more bullish, predicting prices as high as $50 or even $100 in the next few years. Section 6, the Pi powerhouse. What makes the price move? So, what's going to drive the price of Pi up, you ask? Well, a few things. Let's dive into the factors that can influence the value of Pi and make it a powerhouse in the digital currency world. First off, more people using Pi in the real world is huge. The more widespread its adoption, the more demand there will be for it. Think about it, if you can use Pi to buy everyday items like groceries, it becomes a part of daily life. Imagine being able to buy your groceries, pay your bills, and handle other routine transactions with Pi. This kind of utility can significantly boost its value because it integrates Pi into the fabric of everyday financial activities, or even book a flight using Pi. Travel is a major industry, and if Pi can be used for booking flights, hotels, and other travel-related expenses, it opens up a whole new realm of possibilities and increases its demand. Second, developers creating cool apps and services on the Pi network is key. The more innovative and useful applications that are built on the Pi platform, the more reasons people will have to use Pi. The more useful Pi becomes, the more valuable it'll be. Developers are the backbone of any digital ecosystem, and their creativity can drive the adoption and utility of Pi to new heights, and of course good old-fashioned supply and demand plays a role. If the supply of Pi is limited and the demand continues to grow, the price will naturally increase. This basic economic principle is a significant factor in the valuation of any currency, digital or otherwise. Additionally, market sentiment and investor perception can influence Pi's price. Positive news, endorsements from influential figures, and successful partnerships can all contribute to a bullish market sentiment, driving the price up. On the flip side, negative news or regulatory challenges can impact the price negatively. It's important to stay informed and understand the broader market dynamics that can affect Pi's value. In summary, the price of Pi is influenced by a combination of real-world usage, developer innovation, supply and demand, and market sentiment. By keeping an eye on these factors, you can better understand what makes the price move and potentially make more informed decisions about your Pi investments. Section 7. The Pi community speaks a mix of emotions. The Pi community is a passionate bunch, and they've got a lot to say about all these updates. Some folks are over the moon about the KYC extension, while others are a bit frustrated. Hey, that's crypto for you. But one thing's for sure, the PI community is a driving force behind this project. Their enthusiasm and belief in Pi's potential are what makes this whole thing so exciting. Section 8, don't miss the boat, your Pi action plan. Alright folks, here's the deal. If you haven't already, get that KYC done. The clock is ticking, and you don't want to miss out on the opportunity to be a part of the Pi revolution. Head over to the Pi Network app, follow the instructions, and you'll be all set. And hey, spread the word. The more people who join the Pi party, the better. Section 9. The future is bright, Pi's potential unfolds. So there you have it, folks. Pi Network has come a long way in a short time, and the future looks bright. It's not every day you get to be part of something with the potential to change the world. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or just dipping your toes into the digital currency waters, Pi Network is definitely one to watch. Stay tuned because things are about to get interesting.